Anyways, let's just get right into it. I have a lot of updates for you guys, but today's video is mainly going to be comprised of the new build that I have going on for the channel. I have a brand new car that is actually not really my car. We kind of bought it for another reason. I bought it for my wife so that she could learn to drive stick and also kind of get her into the whole racing scene, even though she doesn't want to. But I think she's going to really enjoy it once she gets the feel of it. And I think it's the fear of not being able to drive stick is kind of what's holding her back. But she's going to learn, and it's going to be awesome. And I got a really cool car for her to learn on, and for just a great like street car slash race car. And then you can see in the back is my race car. I'll get to that later. That will need to be a whole video because there's lots and lots of updates on that thing. But let's get to the new car, which is a 13 hatchback. Alright, so this is a 2013 WRX hatchback that I got for a really good price. There was lots of damage on the car. You could see I have the whole front bumper off. It's actually over there. I have a new front bumper coming. It didn't have side skirts. It also needed a little bit of work. So basically this is the big issue with the car right here, is you can tell that there's just the guy, I guess, supposedly got drunk and went off into a ditch and kind of just ruined the whole like two doors and rear quarter. I have new doors coming. I found a new set of doors, same color. And also, so then at that point, we're just going to have to basically take this to a body shop to get the quarter panel fixed. It's really not that bad. It just has a couple dents, and like this is like the worst part, which I think a reputable body shop should be able to pull out and fix, and we'll just get it resprayed. But other than that, that is the main issue. So like I was saying, my wife is going to be basically building this car, really, and I'm just going to be helping. She wanted to learn a lot about just how cars work because she comes to all my races and stuff. So we're going to be building this together, and then she's going to be learning how to drive it. It's just going to be like an all-in-one thing. So today we're going to be dealing with the coilovers. I have basically full suspension for this whole car. We're going to be replacing pretty much every single component on the suspension just because this car is, you know, roughly 8 years old, but it has seen, you know, a good amount of road use. It does have 130,000 miles on it, so not too bad, but enough to where pretty much every bushing is bad on it. So gonna be replacing everything. We're gonna start with the coilovers, and I'm gonna be taking a lot of stuff off, but we're not gonna be putting the new stuff on today, if that kind of makes sense. So let's get with the coilovers. It should be interesting just because she's never done this, and probably is going to be I'm gonna try and stay and not get frustrated, I guess is a good word. But should. All right, so this is my wife Emily, and this is her new car, I guess, or you want to say this is the car that she will be learning to drive stick on and race for the first time. How do you feel about that?
I think we should start with like fixing it.
Okay.
before we talk about me racing it.
I guess I'm getting ahead of myself. All right, so we're gonna be doing in coilovers. I already did one side to kind of just see how it was gonna go, and because I honestly have never installed coilovers on this car or any kind of car like this. I've done an older Subaru, but I didn't know how the newer ones were gonna be. So I did that side already. So she's gonna do this side, and we're gonna see how it goes. She's not very mechanically sound, but
I think I can do it.
we'll see.
I have faith in myself.
All right. So the first step is going to be taking off the old coilover. And do you have any idea how that's?
Yeah, actually.
She watched me do the other side, so she should.
Well, I'm gonna grab everything so I can do trial and error. Act like I was really paying attention.
Okay.
Okay. So, essentially, it's this thing that needs to come off, right?
Which thing?
Disgusting
ugly, not Austin standard coilover.
The old factory one.
So,
yes.
This guy right here,
Yep.
I'm gonna use this to stabilize it right here on this side.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm gonna use this to try to take this bolt out.
All right. Is it on the off side?
No, it's the wrong way.
No. Yep. That's it.
Lucy.
Wow.
Okay. Oh gosh, is this gonna be hard to do? Should I tighten this?
No, it's pretty good. Wow, she got one bolt out.
Well, look at that. And this one has a washer. Good to note, the top one has a washer. The bottom one does not.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's that. We're going to use the crescent wrench
Uh-huh. And do the bottom one?
to do the bottom one, too.
Okay.
All right. You guys ready? There it is.
Wow.
Okay. Austin, stop acting surprised. All right, this one's kind of stuck in here, so we're going to have to probably...
So she should hit it out.
Oh, I should hit it out.
Here,
Give me that.
I'll
Can
help
you...
you.
No, can you hand me that over
No,
there?
no.
Fine, I'll use this. I'll use this.
I got it.
Okay.
So grab it. All right.
All right.
So now you're going to want to take the lines off. So
This
the
little
ABS
guy.
line and the brake line. So you're going to need
Actually,
these.
so I don't know. So which one is this?
That's the ABS.
And this one's the brake line right here?
Yes. Just hit it and take them off. Let's take that one out. Take that other one.
Right. But so here's the thing.
You can get to it. You can twist the whole
Oh.
thing.
There we go.
There you go. Alright. That's out.
Now this whole thing's going to come off.
No, so you still have to do the top now. So now take that same gun. Oh, crap. What'd you take off?
Why is it leaking?
Yeah.
You told me to take... Oh, no. I took off this one right here. The brake line.
Oh, no. Nope.
Wrong brake line?
Yep. Way wrong brake line.
Well, that's what happens. That's okay. We can fix it.
Alright.
Fixed.
Okay. Well, she literally took off the brake line.
he said to
one.
take off the brake line.
It's the one on
Oh
the top.
shoot, babe! You told me to. Okay.
I
But
literally
is it
said
secure, right?
yes.
Okay, so we're good now. Oh.
Just take off 2 of them, and then I'll grab it off the. No, you gotta get square. You gotta get square with it.
I understand that.
There you go.
Oops. So I gotta get square with it. Oh shoot! I don't think that's.
Yeah, just hit it.
They ain't gotta like it, they just gotta live with it. Got my money working, you know what I did with it. Take it to the field, treat it like a coin toss. Girl, I got it covered, I'm a Louis loincloth. But he ain't really with the gang, that's a fact. Had baby doing something strange for the snap. Ride around the county with her face in my lap. Keep it 101, this ain't the place for the cap.
Alright guys, so we have the rear system we're going to be putting in right now. I already have it basically kind of already all set up. I have everything stripped already, and we've undercoated the whole undercoat in the rear already. I like to do that before I kind of install the new fresh parts. I kind of like having a fresh undercoat. So that's done on both sides. Both sides are already stripped, and I just got this coilover on this side, and then we're going to be doing sway bars. I have newer lower control arms. We have basically everything brand new for the rear, so we're going to try to knock all this stuff out and hopefully get this done. My wife had to step away, so I'm just going to finish the rear, and we'll finish up the rest of the car with her in a little bit. But this is going to be like a part 3, part 4 kind of series. It's not going to be all in one in this video, so I kind of want to just get the majority of the suspension done in this video, and then we'll move on. We still have the doors we got to do. We still got exterior stuff we got to do. We have so much stuff we're going to be doing to this car, so lots of stuff to come. So let me knock this rear stuff out, and then I'll get back to you guys. So we have finished basically the whole rear end of the car. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of what all we did, really. So, starting with the coilovers, like we told you before, I don't even know if I ever really said anything, but it does have basically Faction Fab coilovers. I think they're just the generic kind. I didn't really want to go too crazy with this build, but yeah, they're Faction Fab coilovers. We went with basically the full white line kit. We're still missing a couple things, but we have white line 24mm sway bars with the white line, basically sway bar. I think they're braces, essentially what they are. Anyways, we have Voodoo 13 lower control arms. These are really high quality, and I highly recommend them. They went in super easy, and they're just the fit and finish, and like just the basically the strength of it. It just looks really well done. So I highly recommend those. We went with the Perrin adjustable Heim joint, basically sway bar end links for that. And then all the way over here we have the white line adjustable tow rod also for the rear. And then that basically is about it for the rear so far. We still have basically the lower control arm, or the trailing arm, bushings to still install, and I think we're going to end up getting a adjustable upper control arm for this car also. And you guys can now see the exhaust a little bit better. It's just a NVIDIA like high performance catback is basically what all it is. Single exit too also. But that is about it for the rear of the car. Like I said, I mean, all in all, I think it's really good. I think this is going to be a perfect like kind of starter car for her. We kind of went on the moderate to heavy side for like suspension wise, or price wise, I mean. I wanted something quality, but I also wanted something that's going to last and be very good. This car's not going to make a ton of power, but I want it to handle amazing. And I think all these quality parts are really going to like help the car kind of like excel in that area. It's going to be kind of a low power but very good handling car. So that kind of wraps it up about with the rear. We still have a lot of stuff to do for the front of the car. We have to take out the old rack, send that off, kind of just get a couple things buttoned up for the front. And then this thing's going to go off to paint and body work and get all that stuff done. If you guys want to follow the rest of the series, it's going to be pretty sweet. We're going to take this beat up car and basically it's going to be completely changed, and it's going to be pretty rad when we're all done with it. So I'm super pumped with it. I hope you guys are, and like I said, if you guys want to follow it, if you guys want to follow the rest of the build, drop a like down below and also subscribe to my channel. It would really help, just kind of motivate me, I guess, in a sense. The more that you guys that are following me, the higher chance I'll probably keep up with the videos. But on that note, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.